name is Mickey, and I'm gonna do a song called Outside by Mariah Carey. It's hard to explain. Inherently, it's just always been strange. And neither here nor there, yeah. And always somewhat out of place everywhere. Ambiguous, without a sense of belonging to touch. Somewhere halfway, feeling there's no one completely the same. Standing alone, eager to just believe it's good enough to be what you really are, but in your heart, uncertainty forever lies. You'll always be somewhere on the outside. Thank you.